Welcome to the Compost channel. Today, we're going to turn coffee grounds into an amazing natural fertilizer. Every year, a huge amount of coffee grounds gets thrown away. This leads to a waste of valuable resources. Instead of tossing them out, you can completely reuse coffee grounds to make clean, organic fertilizer. This is a totally free solution, highly effective, and it brings new life to your plants. In this video, we'll explore 3 of the best methods to make use of coffee grounds. The first and simplest method is mixing coffee grounds directly into your soil. All you need to do is take a small amount of coffee grounds and sprinkle a thin layer over the surface of your soil. This layer should be less than 0.6 centimeters thick to ensure proper airflow. After sprinkling, use a small rake to gently mix them into the top layer of the soil. One very important note is that you should never apply coffee grounds too thickly on the soil surface. If you apply too much, the grounds can clump together and form a hard barrier that blocks water flow. This barrier prevents water from reaching the roots, causing your plants to become severely dehydrated. That's why mixing them into the topsoil helps maximize their benefits for your garden. This perfect combination creates an ideal environment for beneficial soil microorganisms to thrive. This direct mixing method is perfect for busy people who still want a lush, green garden. The second method is a bit more advanced, which is composting coffee grounds into organic fertilizer. In composting, coffee grounds are considered a green material because they are rich in nitrogen. This abundant nitrogen acts as a catalyst, speeding up the decomposition process in your compost pile. To create a perfect compost batch, you need to combine coffee grounds with brown materials. These brown materials usually include dry leaves or shredded cardboard pieces. Brown materials provide plenty of carbon, helping balance the nitrogen from the coffee grounds. The golden ratio for a quality compost pile is 1 part green to 3 parts brown. The temperature inside the compost pile will quickly rise due to microbial activity. After just a few months, you'll get dark, crumbly, nutrient-rich compost. This rich compost is truly a priceless gift from nature to nourish your garden beds. The third method is making a liquid fertilizer, also known as compost tea, a lesser-known trick. To do this, you'll need 2 to 3 cups of coffee grounds and a container of clean water. Add the coffee grounds into the container and pour in about 19 liters of room temperature water. Stir the mixture well and let it steep overnight so the nutrients can dissolve into the water. By the next morning, the liquid will turn a dark brown color, just like a cup of coffee for your garden. This magical liquid contains a wide range of essential minerals released from the used coffee grounds. You can use this solution to water directly at the roots of your plants. The liquid form allows plant roots to absorb nutrients immediately without waiting. This is truly a great rescue solution for plants that are wilting due to nutrient deficiency. After just a few days of using this special tea, your garden will quickly regain its lush green look. So why do coffee grounds have such powerful effects? Let's uncover the secret. The secret lies in 3 key nutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium found in coffee grounds. These are the core components of most chemical fertilizers on the market. Nitrogen plays a crucial role in promoting the growth of stems and leaves. Phosphorus supports strong root development and encourages flowering and fruiting. Meanwhile, potassium acts like a shield, helping plants build resistance against diseases. Unlike chemical fertilizers that release nutrients quickly, coffee grounds release them slowly. This slow release process ensures plants are fed steadily over time. It also prevents root burn, a common issue when chemical fertilizers are overused. This sustainable growth is the key to building a healthy and safe organic garden. Now, Let's clear up a common misconception about the pH level of used coffee grounds. Many gardeners worry that coffee grounds make the soil too acidic and harm plant roots. The truth is, fresh coffee beans are quite acidic, but used grounds are a different story. During brewing, most of the natural acids dissolve into your cup of coffee. As a result, the leftover coffee grounds have a nearly neutral pH. Studies show that the pH of used coffee grounds ranges from about 6.5 to 6.8. This near-neutral level means you can safely use them without damaging your soil. In addition to nutrients, coffee grounds also attract earthworms in a surprising way. Earthworms seem to love the texture and smell of used coffee grounds. As earthworms move through the soil to consume the grounds, they create tunnels. These tunnels act like a natural ventilation system for your soil. This natural aeration allows oxygen to penetrate deeper, helping roots breathe better. At the same time, worm castings are an excellent fertilizer that greatly improves soil fertility. However, despite all these benefits, there is one important rule you must remember. Never apply coffee grounds directly to seedlings or newly planted seeds. The reason is that some caffeine still remains in the used coffee grounds. Caffeine is a natural chemical that plants produce to suppress nearby competing plants. When it comes into contact with seeds, it can slow down or completely stop early growth. Therefore, for safety, only use coffee grounds on established plants. In summary, coffee grounds are truly a valuable resource for gardening enthusiasts. By applying these methods correctly, you can turn waste into black gold for your garden. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Compost channel for more helpful tips. Goodbye.